Yabusia Mamen Fanchia Kessie and my baby Bia what mene ene ukriada anopay na yemfa seda entiasie womo emma ono asafo eradia wahwe me no mieno na wabo yen ho ban na wama asemboni bi antoye no yemfa aseda kese emfa emma no fise enye ono erade ene wo yen afa enye ono erade ne boy yen ho ban ya nye erade ene ekra yen ya nye erade ne so yemu a nenka fidi sumfo fidi ahodoa nenka ebeyi yen nenka abreya ase nenka eguye nimu ase yekoda ye ne yedase ewufuo abusua to brebia ne yakanti ase aye wasom bebre nanso so kai ne hunu se ye bon kontene ne yekohwe ye n'achiri ne yekenkan enema ahodoa otwiredi ampon nyame ba sakro okronkron ni no ayama me no mieno a na etwase ye kaka ye ho ne ye de yaseda ema ono erade adano wonyame heda kachre ne koa mosa uyi no gense ya kai oman no se so munya baabi gina kai wonom se omomo wire mfi say ye me rade ena mama wo mutumi a ye de ye say ya kai won if it's nipa nche na ya na ne wire fidie rade ayama no enti say me no hia wa fidie so na won say me no wo kan say ya na me no wo kan say be ya ye be ka ye ho said ye be na de nyame ayama ye no me say yankaya yetumi agina yenaso na yetumi ade aseda ene ntrontrom ene nkamfo ede ama ono asafo erade didin if you say erade ene menomi no ono ye ne edide ye ena no pay me pacho baby awo bia no bie wa not tetre nefa waseda ene wonase wontrontom ene wonkamfo ma ono asafo erade de wayama yen de wayama ye busua de wayama ye man Ghana ere ukuyada nso ye mampanyine de kwaku brenu duru se ya mempese me wire befifi se twere kronkron hyeme enye me pew. My Bible commands me that I must pray for my leader. Either I voted for him or not. It is my Bible. That command. Adi anyame show biano or show is sign say or no person we ye bribi na onon so faso ye bribi na ema we responsible. Tianopa ye de nyame ase na ye de ye mampanyine ene na bedi achire banyame enem ene ne cabinet if is the almost hye ebiara na se ye pe se ye mpe no se ya mfa mpa ya anta wo machi a ombe hye mre bia ochena me no mi no ye se befem enra na me tie radio bi abra akoye adwuma efra no pa kopema nwumre me coffee na radio no ka se aban ya otesui eba so no anya no wa vote to sika about, and I wrote it down because na me pese me misquote 14 billion into financial revival. 14 billion because omo buy no na sikasem ewa banks ni nyina no na beka se bank danis wo nanso na niema agiego me de metie radio so na make yo and so abano at the 14 billion said the beya banks in go omo your analysis no mo say mo hwen kwada suku yi a abaji ato no say o ma wo mo akon free no afibian 5 billion 1.5 billion and also with the remu. Now, say a sign a TNS say no quarredia. Bijiri say abaya to say no. Yenyan yesre unyame mano. That our banking system will be sustained. Number 2, ye ma wamuko suku no. Yesu mwenye free no. Me ban enjoy bi, but ma sorry ma enjoy bi. Because then cafe biano between kwade school fees. The selecting kwade bi was sorry and we pay for them. It way by no we had dania a swat kakra. Omo enye free sir because omo kwa ye niema kakra so de ma womo. But a jebiane nebia was said dear Sabia Musabiaku Abrana when we yere jumani no. Minini sa na wo hwese aban bi na also otua mumane monananmo monanan council school fees. It is a one more year dia ye ne sika na omde ye do emfiri na nado danko akufuado ne botom by his leadership and his initiatives. This is sanity idea na wo betumi aye de aboa de wo betumi aye de aboa ne se wo be ka ne mpai bom se urade boa no na de oya ma ye ma ne ye nananom yi Erade ma enye yie mubu onoma truly na nka wo ma pa so betimi ahwe school die. And by this time no kwa mo jai. But thankfully to God they are still in school. Me nya se ne obe politicize wo niema wo because Ghana ne binim nya ne free na nye the whole nation. But this time the whole nation and kwada benefitia. Na Nebukadnezar pair say or yane man ye no okohwia nkwada free eye Israel for asase so and will be training wonom and will be formidable leaders. Woman be ye adwuma e wona hemfie any leader be all pekanko biano you groom, you nurture, you mentor, you disciple the young generation. Such infrastructures near Adenosa are very expensive. China because they invested in their youth, their young people. Check the history. Next check is said China abaye omanya obia peso ko no koye business. It is because women invested in their youth. And I don't pay some account we be ya because me pesemi no me no ya wenya me ni no wudi ne kware manyame na wo kai o man say rade fa o man Ghana fasiye fa maye minimo akoma so ade me ba branch bi efrey ya se me wie school 4 years me nya adwuma na ye me ya because me ma hwe nkwada bi university omunya me biological children omu det fie enti all kano be de me nine ko share the o share the school ne maami ana ne papa krofo ma wo ma hwe omu school e ka omunya adwuma ya at least wona mo ada kurubi daddy we dey me the fuel 1 week the ago we yi mu enka ba me fe man sure be better school say woman me but at least was so into somebody's life you are expecting said that crow better said than he saw aropay makakakra nakakra makano be say ye de bon empire emma omayi ene omayi eyiyo ne omayi enkoso ene omayi empuntu. Odanyame ase na o de o my Ghana menka setna fidie na one tie me Jeremiah chapter 29 say o my amede matena so mo hwe o man ye no man koso na mo mpae mo man Bible na kan say criticize the woman or say bompae. And what I mean meeting be na make say enkrofo am no me meeting say madwuma ne say opanyina me ne ye adwuma no me ma sede ne say be mpae e beta na chi.
Please everybody stand and help me welcome Travis Green, everybody.
Vampire Tower, my yachi. Oh, Chrome Henia. Oh, my Henia. Oh, software was shed and answer. We bush your penny-bina. Oh, 1 hour in a year, Juma. A bush your opinion of Fanakunya Metias for any. From Yaw Owusu Ansah, many also for Kweku. Adom Ahengua.
He's done so much for me.
Yabra wo Kenya na the asidaka si emenya mema wa nkasa wa brabo ne wabusu. Ye maye twere nso hwe. Na ye third day. Can you thank God for the young people that are writing exams? Obetumi ebie wano na kase rade me da wase ema emrantie ne maba wa omo ye nso hwe nyina. I'm thanking you, oh God, for them. Rade wa ye bi. Rade wa ye bi. Rade wa ye bi. Nyame nyina na ye nsa aka de. And so, Raddy, why you be? Raddy, why you be? Yeah, that was it. Yeah, that was it. Yeah, that was it. Be on another radius. It would a radius and now the near man that were Kumasons surround the Konyamianim. Say, Raddy, my own sasso. And where you may so. My own sasso. And where your man penny so. My own sasso. One more much a chinkro for or may you mo. My own sasso. The next 2 minutes, Fabompai, or driver, or take care, or to trot room, or to taxi, or your police, or your soldier.
He's done so much for me, I cannot tell it all. If I had 10,000 tongues, it still wouldn't be enough.
Rade Kasa, Rade Minim, so I be brain, the Yama man, and my mind, and my bushia.
For he has done so very much for me.
One more Facebook, I'm on the yes, so many now do I see they go on my walk as a free show. Now show you free now. Romania, Finland, Botswana, South Africa, Kuwait, Sudan, Afghanistan, Egypt. Baby, I want to hear Sumbia. Let me know. Mommy, who know? Yes, some. Yes, some. Yes, some. Yes, some. Ma also for Kweku Mompai, baby, I will be ano, a bompire, the Asadam and Yamenefe, ya de Yahuashi Yamen Sandy, the Yamai, Yaman Penine, Yama, one more tre, so Eguso tre, and so he, Yadomine, Konyameti as a foreign himself, Radin Yameti as a 4-baton panel, and for an Sakasiera Ento, and Mofrey so, Omomu Yoko Drew Sunsum, Womintiminko Ye, Omasha Sieno, Yamisun Concra, Yaka Kaforo, and Kosun Kaka, and Brantian and Mabawe, Vigilators, a Jinija woman. Radema woman akomapane adwempa ene woda ye woman kwada said ye beya nkwada ye twire womfa ehu bi emfanto so ene ye third day rade and protect woman no omo enwie kra if you say wonyame de o hyebiri biase a o de call na wie ye papa Aja ku bacho bompai.
Osia bompai. Wo Yesu Kristo dimu papa yeda wase. Yeda wase maye my Ghana. Yeda wase mati for mpempem a 80 ye nyina. Yeda wase ma melwa bi nkokra bi. Yeda wase mama ba wane mrantie bi. Yeda wase erade Emma adwuma yi mufo nyina mpo yeda wase se ne den so odi ache yen yeda wase ma asafo mpanifo bi enketwa bi a wotie yen bere bi ahemfo bi o ahimba bi erade yeda wase ma mema yeda wase ma ma yeda wase man kwala titiriw ene ye meye erade wo twro ensohwe yi yeda wase se ene to so miensen erade o ma yen triboni bi a edina nso wode mo fayi be famu erade do mbetwa edo beko wie asomdwe mu ye bompa ye se man kwala yi erade ni nkunim ewon so ya wo twro mi na mu bibia be ye san ni musu erade ebetumi asi obi kwan de odim ye sini nyina ho kwan ewo Yesu Kristo mu anopa yem pa ebone se yasida edoso edirade ji yasida yi na fast na show de no nyam na fa yenso na pagya ni pa bi ya waboto anopa yi ema wo nyina nyenda so ewo Yesu Kristo dimu ye bompa ye wonyam ye ja oba ene won kronkro dimu amen
Amen.
He's done so much for me, I cannot tell it all. If I had 10,000 tongues, it still wouldn't be enough.
Yeah, good morning. Good morning. Ebra, good morning.
Not what I really.
Uncle Kevin, good morning. You have a call here. Facebook no me welcome madam said ya money ya som beda wa seno ti asese nhira wo mo said ya wo de me som e wo dwumadie yi eso na wo ne me som say no mamenka owofo bia na oba tan biara ne minia mambi no bi awoda ba ko ye 60 years ba ko ye 50 years but ansa na me bo wo mo de no oba tan biara bema tan biara the month of July me ye dwumadie bia your friends from grace to grind. And yeah, no nyame ya domwa in the month of July, yeah, no Legon and yeah, Jumedia me no afibiara. Yeah, na fibiara and afiwe yeah no Legon grace over grace over Glend on Sunday ma ayuwa mamena on fan to Facebook on you been in July and so you register until check information I was on say ube website ne baby also with me register na ube tuye usika because yeah more daho from Monday up to Saturday now what daho biano enye free ye feedu aka ho enti dan kra no awod dem no ba ko every day na ye 50 Ghana cedis 50 Ghana cedis a okekambo mu kra sa na dodo yanka ye sei but ne sent no ya boaboa no atete so akeka bi asie ne se de be ya wo betimi ama wo bana ba be kaye ho only 250 Ghana cedis only 250 Ghana cedis and kasafo a Wamo banu hunu wamo banua. Yesterday, preparing the young generation to think higher. Anthony Efresa Ejumediano, grace over grind. Grace over grind. Grace over grind. And Kunini Fuapa, Dr. Mary Ganza Kahon, and Professor Oredo Ekahon, and Bernard, and also for Amos, Councillor Amos Kevin and F.A. Patrick Otieko Osofo, and Apostle Evangelist Akwesi Donko, and Michael Okan, my own brother, and Dr. Barry Ganza, my catch order. Women in a crofoma babe casa sage in the month of July, and so me pese will register my bano. And I say, wakuma so bit me the accord, or be bands so bit me a support to bit me abwa am wet me enya contact na wet me as support to a be known as so to me a baby. And this is what I do every year, bringing young men, young ladies together from different denomination. Sorry, I won't be on, doesn't matter. We are Baptist, we are Methodist, we are Anglican, we are Mozambique Disco Christo Church, we are Church of Christ, we are SDNA, we are Pentecost, Nia Brantia Babawa, you be Trisha na ya share thoughts and ideas. Now this year, the crowd is sending our packaging in a day, a chance so cry. I don't be a woman, I'll say, we showcase you are, if we are here for nine and Ebema Coin was showcase. Na yede egugua bontre enso so edi amount, and so that is what is going to happen. All right, and so and then mama was our announcement, you know, it be me could detail the mom your friend grace over grand. Let just say what was she dia ba dia do be ko name your friend grace Adom etinye enye oh me was certificate oh me was connection there be Adom na do beko. In the next 5 minutes maybe a phone line no e dia ma awofo na fe kansem ego ye manoso but ansana no majaku ye nhwe de Samuel ye ma David no I saw ma David no mame dedicated jume emma minua ba ya ordinary 60 years and Samuel Quarter or Bank of Ghana. And happy birthday, and God bless you, and God multiply, and God give you more fresh oil. Stella, Ama Fusua was already 50 years today. God bless you, and God bless you, and God bless you. Ajaku.
Yes, Papa.
Verse 37 no.
Yeah.
First Samuel chapter 17 verse 37. Verse 37. Yeah. Was say na David e can say Ewurade we yi mi jatani sisiri ensebono onuara beyimi efri Philistine yi ensem. And I saw a catch David say ko na Ewurade ebedi wechi ko na Ewurade ebedi wechi. What an inspiration from a father. Because here are your Father's Day.
Yes, Papa.
But Kai Ejebia, what can say we a good for so many years? Ko na Ewurade ebeduachi kwa kasa
ya papa me da so papa nyame enhyira papa me gidi say asema so e ka kire David e ya asema shi nkran nipa no bebre wo asase so atora bia na ye penemba bi se sika ene ne bi obi di ahya won sema no mo zi nipa kono aye bibi di ama but enhyira say ya kasapa nkran
kasa
nkran motivate nipa ko
na Ewurade bedu
wachi oh eto bi obi wa oni sika bi ode ma but asem obeka kasa no beka kire wono ko
na Ewurade bedu wachi
just oni bibia boa akwala David ese onko ente bia wo ye wofo wo anya sika anhwa akwala no na so asem ode no beka akire akwala no kasa papa
encourage
papa ya takwemada ya numu
encourage
say timi kasa papa
enipa nyina ni aba be si David so ontumi
nko usa
if you say abrante na one na ekokono oso bai etre ohene tie na numa asema ohene no ase dabi usa wontumi akwai wako ache ozanana nyame aye bida
esru
Nana, nyame aye bida.
Bishop Honey asem nyame aye bida.
Nana, nyame aye bida.
Oh, papa. Nyame aye bida.
Nyame aye bida.
Wa ye bida. Menam se no suru na se be sisi ni jata ba se nyame na oji mi fi se sisi ni jata nsem no ono abeji mi fi fristini nsem. What a testimony.
I don't know. Mechanics is here. Grace over grain.
Yes.
Grace over grain. Just say nyame adom se e dia brantie bi beye adwuma.
Obi entumi sini kwan. Adom di nipa ko papa. Yete e adom o. E adom.
You will do impossible things.
Papa e adom keke.
Grace over grain.
Say ye hwefi baby na ye fi no baby nyame de abedu e nyame adom. Enye school.
Akura na say nana nyame aye bida.
Nyame. So papa, say o kai de nyame aye a. E ma bibia nya gidie wonimu. Na do hoto so.
Akura na say nana nyame aye bida.
Aye bida.
Esre so. Na obi ani ho. Nyame ne boa me.
Oboa me.
O ma mitimi ni sisire. Ekonye.
Jata.
Eni jata konye.
Ojimi fi omonsi.
E ma mitimi wa wo manum.
Oh Jesus.
Se nyame we ye de a.
Obesan ye bio.
Obesan ye bio. Hallelujah.
Obesan ye bio.
Se nyame we ye de a.
Obesan ye bio.
Obesan aye bio.
Obesan ye bio.
Enti nana.
Oh. Na okan sa pepe nana se de wake de no ano no.
O se nyame ni wachi.
Nyame ni wachi.
Nyame oni wachi.
Oni nyame nko nyame ni wachi.
E wa se nyame ondi wachi.
Nyame ni wachi.
O nyame therefore no ondi wachi.
Nyame ni wachi.
Nyame no onka ho.
Onka ho. Omwa ho. Onfa un konsan famra.
Osofo je opa soka.
Agora. Nyame nhira moni adwuma. Sa akoma wanya e won kwala yi ho. Na afibia o hwe se wo be hye wonum nkunan. Eno nko ayademu. Wa hu se the God factor e wo abrabom no. Wo yi firi mu a enye yie. Sa asem Paul.
Me ntwa no. Ma me lay na 0302 216 561 0302 216 562
Asemu aso kan boko
0302 216 561 0302 216 562 and ye kasa ya no ba ede na wo ka hyembrantie ne maba wa mo twe kansem papa
na me ka asemu aso kan no e kan boko ko na awurade ni wachi awurade ni wachi awurade di obi achi ase na sitie obi anyame di na chi
I don't need a friend grace over grain a grace was awurade ni wachi me ma wotuo me ma wo seka
awurade nyankopon kese
na sen enkrofo di nyame di agro
papa
semfuni semfunu
onyame ni
wachi
se utu kwan na ona naka che se onyame ni wachi
onyame ni unko
wanyame
eno na me friend priestly blessing
also for me patcho me ba the one man so nyame adom nka
onyame hira oman kroko kana
me da se patcho wen ye
me patcho friend me so for Edem
also for Edem f1
me kuma for
esro f1
me for pa
ever me dance
over so many years
I know that. Thank you. Thank you. I love you. What? I love you. I love you.
You're very, very, very serious. Papa, I did about me show us how very smooth in the same. And bra, so catching and so imagine a tidy and channel. Or sit there be. And come at idea we and me nyete and it should be say a man for vision and find out no for be any doesn't find your dear
obi atade no obi mpaboa say
and call for vision and your vision you lose track of your destiny and you end up losing the battle.
Thank you. Thank you.
Let us say
Nyame shira so the one man so nyame adom nka
Nyame shira ma konko Ghana
me pacho hwan ne ye
Bocho kweku di me kete afa
kwaku di pacho kan bi gunkura no do mama me
so onyame why bi do
why bi
da
papa na why bi
why papa enti abantano ka che de onyame why bi da so mi do bokodar why
hallelujah
ocho de ibasta uwadi nanga sembo na kinu uwadi ni so very sure no te won sure won promise uwadi kon kun yinyam onam be ende nende ku fa adaworo yenye free secret na mso bi won so won tia do so for mun nyame yeduma
me da se papa pa de wa man so nyame adom nka
I mean, sure, my concord.
The bachon when ye.
But you're afraid it's a gift.
Bajosi.
A queer gift.
Mammy gifty.
Papa.
Can semu gun kwadana so mame. Gift you line a cut. Oh, sorry. Gift you line a cut. Gift you line a cut. The one must nyami Adom Ahengua.
Nyamishra o my kronkron Ghana.
Eno kwa na mo ka kra na chese maso adwome. Nyamishra o my kronkron Ghana. Nyamishra.
Osofo Penny Yaw Owusu Ansah.
Oheneba.
Wadam for Osofo Bride Gazy House of Faith Ministries.
Hey, Osofo. What Ghana ha? Hey, we are sleeping here na.
Oh, Debbie, why you?
Oh, yes, why you be a crier than I say? Why you be a crier than I say?
Ma frowa minyao.
Kafra,
nyamia se menyawo.
I know your poor friend, why?
Yo mate.
Can some be good Ghana and cry and no so me why?
No question ni Ghana and cry, why you shira? O nyame, why you be da? And yet a fe na obey nyame be shiramo. Nyame enu nyame abasa.
Hallelujah. 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 Amen. I love it. I love it when I suffer no fresh. I love it. The one man so nyame Adom Ahengua.
Nyame sira o my kuku Ghana.
Efo.
Papa.
Efo.
Nyame sira wati.
Efo.
Malafima.
Efo. Kan shile gun krado so mame.
Reverend.
Papa.
One will say nkuranshia odima akola no si ko
na Urade
mi dem o so ko wanim
one stop akola no a good leader pave a way for the young people.
One cut bibi correct akola ni say
I love that.
Masa wo koi
I love that.
We are be koi share the utio ana say say o si ko wanim that encouragement that he gives no and money nya sadi ni say nipa bia no kurase da obi show kura e be tibi tena mo ama won kasa won
wo so ha adwino e di asem kura ni
kurase
what you tell me me dance my pon my pon me fa obi abio and my pon and oh obi was on what do obi ato so nyame asomdwe nkan
enkan so
da bi
eja nyame show man konkro Ghana
me papa woni so am won what kofi say me hwe woni so ba bia wugina
da bi wo ka sa wodi si won na ma me ye konfi
Kofi, can you share 1 minute to go nkura no so mame?
Nyame shamo.
Amen.
Maybe I make catch and kwala no say woman hwesofo Owusu Ansah. Na Joy FM na yanko ho. Ba papa ise be di twi ne mewu akọ. Na Joy FM yem preach wo ho. O di twi wura Joy FM and na mo hwesofo Owusu Ansah. Iti kwala na ekotwe exam se no mo mfa sofo Owusu Ansah nsi mani so.
My God.
Papa ni di twi wura Joy FM. Amen.
My God.
Me time Father Day.
I refrain when he pahon, and so damn in Payane said, me remfi papa, why am here? And see a Nicajania Sido. I refrain when he pahon, I dear Bakona Miss Rene said, me remfi papa, why am here? I said, me pum koshamechi, baby, I'm a friend, baby, I'm a tree, or therefore, one now better me on your way. Stand back and take account, or therefore, wait there, it had to be you. That's right. I said, me boom, pom, pom, koshamechi, baby, I'm a friend, baby, I'm a tree, or therefore,
106.3. Tough.
Only God can stop us now.
106.3 FM. Jim FM 106.3. Tough.
Only God can stop us now.